So this is how you can verify your account on Wise. Go ahead and open up the Wise website. It's wise.com. And now you can go on ahead and register or log in. So now that we're here, simply type in your email address or sign up with either Google, Facebook, or Apple. After typing in your account, you're going to want to choose your personal or business account. So choose either one, and now it's going to ask you where you live. Just simply tap on continue and then continue again. Basically, that other section is just showing you what you can get or what other features they have within the app, but that doesn't really matter. So, now that we're here, it's going to ask us to verify with our phone number with a code. So, it's going to send a code to the number that we type in here. So, simply type in your phone number and then tap on send verification code. After that, if you wait a bit, maybe 30 seconds or less even, it's going to send you a code. Now, you're going to type that code into another text box or into another typing box. And once you do that, your account will be verified. I'm pretty sure you can also do this with your email, but make sure to do this phone number one first to make sure that your account will be legit. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.